You can double your eBay sales by following some simple but very effective strategies. Hi, this is Sakib from Ecom Clips, and in this video you are gonna get the hidden secret to increase your eBay sales. So let's dive in. Your eBay success mostly depends on one single question. Are you selling the right product? You may ask, how do I find the right product? The formula is simple. The product you want to sell must have demand with low competition. Well, now to find right product, you can utilize eBay Therapeutic research. Let me show you the process quickly. Go to Seller Hub, from research, click on sourcing insights. Here you can see all the categories. These are the top categories and this is sell-through rate. So you can choose a category based on the sell-through rate. Just to give an example, let's say you choose to sell wallets. Which type of wallet you want to sell? Is it for men or for women? Let's click which category sold the most in last 90 days. Click on product research. Now search for wallet. We are doing research based on US marketplace, so need to change the domain to ebay.com. Alright, now let's click on the women. This is the sell-through rate, 18.18%. Wow. Now for the men, click this. Well, this is lower than women's wallet. Now just to check, this is the wallet for kids. Now this is the highest STR for all that we searched. If you are confused about which type of wallet you want to sell on eBay, now you got the answer. In the last 90 days, kids' wallet have been sold more than men's and women's wallet, so you can go with kids' wallet. This is just a glimpse of how you can conduct product research. Now just to remind you, there are a lot of fields you can consider, such as pricing, demand, competitor analysis, etc. to find the right product. My recommendation is do check them out and try to find the best product that have a great demand with low competition. By the way, this is not only the way, there are many other ways you can check the demand of the product, like you can use tools like Helium 10 or Google Trends to get the trendy ideas. Okay, after you choose the product to launch on eBay, the next big step is pricing. Let's say you launch a brand new product on eBay. Now it's very normal that your listing will not be sold that much because the listing doesn't have any sales history. It is new in the market, so ranking is low. Also, the customer can find the same product with better rating and review. Now to attract customer, what you can do? You can plan a pricing strategy. Like initially, you can list it a bit lower than your competitors, and then over the span of 8 weeks, you can increase the price by a bit. This way, the customer will have a point to buy your product because you are offering it at a lower price. When you start getting some sales, later on you can increase the price. Alright, the next step is getting your product uploaded the right way. Well, think about a supermarket. If you enter into that, you will see some items in the first row. Not all items are going to be displayed here. The products that are placed first are meant to grab your attention, so items that you first see have a great impact on you. Well, the same thing happened on the eBay platform too. Now think you as a shopper. If you need an item, first you go to search bar to search for the item. Here the search bar is the main entrance and the first page that appears is the first row. The shopper always try to be closer to the main entrance. They go to the next page very rarely. So being on the first page is very important here, and for that you need proper search engine optimizations, aka SEO. How you are going to do this? Simple, you have to work on this field. Your product title, item specifications, your product descriptions, and of course your product pricing. Well, I already talked about the prices, so let's talk about the product title first. Use effective keywords on your title. If you lost on this, I have a trick for you. Just follow your competitors who have mastered this game. Watch how they write titles and then copy their title. Take unnecessary keywords out and add useful keywords. For that, you need keyword research. Get help with some keyword research tools like Helium 10. Okay, there is a format for title which is first your brand name, then model, then type, then descriptive, and then extras. If I show an example, see this, the brand name Polo, model Rolf Rollins, type Mans, description customized with fit match polo t-shirt and extra big horses sizes, and all that fits in 80 characters limit. For the description, try to implement as many keywords as possible. Use eBay listing templates for your listing. With listing templates, you don't have to start from scratch every time. You list an item. They help you to give buyer consistent information across all your listings. Once you set up a template, it's easy to update, rename, or delete it. Well, the next thing is product images. You have to be professional in this sector. Create professional photography for your product to display. Image plays a crucial role for better conversions. If you want to create outstanding images or wanna take full advantage of it, just let us know in the comment or email us at info@ecomclips.com. All of this really looks great, don't they? You can get a full service from us. So going to the next step, traffic product. These are the products that sell at a very low prices. The goal isn't to make a profit but to attract traffic. Why? It's all about how eBay algorithm works. More sales means more visibility for your new listings. Big sales growth boosts your whole store. So find cheap and popular products. You can go to Alibaba for that and add 5 or 10 new traffic products to your store each month. It will lead you to significant growth. Also can boost your product ranking. But use this method during first 2 or 3 months of getting started. And the last thing is that the number of active products in your store matters. But that doesn't mean you should compromise on quality and just fill your store with products. You need to find a balance between quality and quantity. Okay, I think you got it now. And the good news is that besides all the techniques I shared in this video, here are some additional yet powerful tips to implement to better results. Number 1 tip, running standard promotions. You should always try to run promotions on eBay. Well, you have to pay for it, but trust me, this is worth it. You can increase the visibility of your listing way better. Let me show you a quick example. From the seller hub, hover over my eBay and click on selling. You will be landed here. Click listings. I am going to click on active. Here you can see all the active items. Well, here you see the column promoted listings. These are already promoted. So all I can show you is to edit. You can find the option here. Click it. Now this is a campaign, and beside that, ad rate. You can set the ad rate manually or you can stick to eBay suggestion. Whether you want, but when you hit the apply button, this rate will be for all the listings on this campaign. Also run PPC as well. It can show your listing to more people who might want to buy your stuff. It's like giving your item a little boost to send out almost among all the other things for sale on eBay. Plus the PPC, you can track how well your ads are doing and make changes to get even better results. Tip number 2, try to implement features on main image like this. Notice this image, you can see that they give you an insight into the fry pan. Looking at this image, you can easily understand the feature of it. So be tricky and add features to your main image, and that will help customers to understand your product better, and also it will divert impressions into sales. Tip number 3, shop subscription. As a seller, you should have a shop subscription. Though you have to pay a monthly fee, but there are many advantages to subscription. You can increase your visibility of your items. This means more people will see your products and some of them may become regular customers. It helps your products show more often in front of potential buyers. Tip number 4, fast deliveries with free shipping. Try to deliver as fast as possible. It should be at least within 3 days. And you should offer free shipping, fast delivery with free shipping with safety that customer most like, and they will be more likely to buy your product. Tip number 5, return. Another thing is try to give at least 30 days of return policy of your products. That way you can build your trust with the customers. With the hassle-free return policy, you can gain customer satisfaction. Now tip number 6, categorize your listings. If you have a product listed on a category, you might notice that the same item from your competitors are listed in a different category and have good sales. In that case, you can list your products in the category where it performs well. So I think you understand all these points. Now let me show you some examples of the eBay account we manage. And the success we got here is only because we followed the best practices for all these accounts. Now, if you follow the best practices, you should see your sales increasing. However, it is important for you to understand where is the issue when you have fewer sales. When you can identify the problem, you can easily work on that specific area and fix it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you need to know anything about e-commerce, we have tons of informative videos on our channel. Go check out that, and you can get a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we can use these strategies to level up your account. So check out all these resources or give us a call today. We can talk to you to solve your queries. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, peace.